The Porsche 911 GT3 was added to the 997 lineage on February 23, 2006. Performance figures include a 0 to 62 mph acceleration time of 4.1 seconds and a top speed of 193 mph, almost as fast as the Turbo. Porsche's factory reports were proven to be conservative about the performance of the car. Excellence magazine tested the 997 GT3 and recorded a 0 to 62 mph of 3.9 seconds and a top speed of 194 mph. It was at that time crowned the best handling car in America by Motor Trend. The engine absolutely screams to the 8400 RPM redline. Anyone listening on the outside is treated to a fantastic race quality sound. It isn't the same engine as the 3.6 liter in the more streetable 997 911S. The GT3 shares its dry-sump engine with the Porsche's production-based racing cars, the GT3 Cup, RSR, and the Turbo. The standard 911s use a two-piece engine block split down the center line of the crankcase. In the GT3 and Turbo, it's a four-piece unit with crankcase parts cast separately, which are then bolted to the cylinder blocks. This is a more sturdy arrangement, which can handle more power, and was originally developed for racing applications. The 3.6 liter flat 6 in the 997.1 GT3 ups the power by 35 horsepower to 415 horsepower at 7600 RPM, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated 911 ever at that time. That was also almost the same output as the 996 Turbo. As mentioned before, the redline is at 8400 RPM, up there with the best, just 100 RPM shy of the Ferrari F430 redline. But the GT3 makes 115.3 horsepower per liter, more than the Ferrari and just about anything else. Torque is up 15 foot-pounds to 299 at 5500 RPM. These gains have come largely by lightening rotating components and making the engine breathe better. A new crankshaft design saves 1.3 pounds. Reshaped forged pistons and 1 mm smaller piston pins shave an ounce per cylinder. The titanium connecting rods also go thinner. The compression ratio was up to 12.0 from 11.7 in the previous 996 GT3.